Hello everyone, I'm Ronald Mehta and welcome back to our channel digiate.com. We are your digital aid and we provide free courses on the subjects of business and marketing.
Let's start with customer engagement, a strategic tool. Customer engagement is a process of interaction between a business and its clients. This is accomplished through various channels. It's also used to strengthen customer connections. If played right, customer engagement drives recurring sales for the company. Let's look at some examples of customer engagement by leading brands, starting with Lego Ideas. The Lego Group and Chaordix run the site for Lego Ideas. It allows people, as in customers, to offer their own product ideas. The customer who comes up with the idea, and if the idea gets selected, get 1% of royalties from the new product. Next was Coca-Cola's #ShareACoke campaign, first launched in Australia in 2011. It involved changing the traditional wrapping around the Coca-Cola bottle to say share a Coke with any popular name in that country. The rationale was to create a more personal relationship with consumers and inspire shared moment of happiness, thus leading to better engagement with Coca-Cola. Another example is of Starbucks. 90% of new Starbucks stores will have drive-thrus. In fact, Starbucks added curbside pickups at 2,000 locations, leading to better engagement. Starbucks is also investing about $1 billion in its employees and technology to match demand across drive-thru, mobile order, and pay. Now moving on to another example of Burger King. Quick service restaurant chain Burger King has collaborated with popular runner mobile game Subway Surfers to launch a Burger King challenge. Users can play the game with Burger King mascot as a runner. On completing the challenge by earning points, it will allow them to keep the mascot with them. So now moving on to the importance of customer engagement. First, customer management may result in a revenue of 66%. Next, customers who are engaged with the brand tend to spend more than those who aren't. The cost of acquiring a new customer, as we all know, is greater than the expense of retaining existing ones. Keeping a client who interacts frequently with the company is less expensive. Such consumers are more likely to, as usually, promote a firm. They are also seen to be more loyal. And finally, customer experience elevates to a greater level. So how do you engage with these customers? First, introducing point system for every purchase made. It's critical to demonstrate your appreciation for your client's interest in the business. Next, encourage your customers to connect with you on social media. Customers may also subscribe to the company's blog or follow it on social media, where they may share it with your friends using popular social networking sites like Facebook. Next, help consumers engage with one another. They may collaborate with one another by utilizing shared brand content. Example, Sephora's Beauty Talk blog. Next, encourage your best customers to share your brand with referrals. Customers who are loyal to your business should also be made aware of it. They may talk about it with their family and friends, which can help raise awareness. For instance, Uber's referral program that made it famous. Next, user-generated content. Customers are more likely to produce their own content if the product is promoted as a tool for generating it. Example, the GoPro $1 Million Challenge. Next, community development. Customers may also establish their own forums. They can be assisted in doing so. No one does that brilliantly than the Harley Owners Group, known as HOG. The Harley Owners Group is an organization set up by Harley Davidson to help connect its customers with one another and the company. Moving on. Customer self-service. FAQs, wikis, and blogs can be used to address client simple questions. Customers may also contact the technical staff for assistance via email or phone. For instance, the official Apple support community. Next, product code development. A blog may be used to connect customers with the product development team, as for instance, Lego Ideas. Next, highlight the brand reviews. Positive evaluations should be saved and stored. They may be then distributed on the internet. A thank you message from the reviewer may be tagged to their post. This will encourage other people to submit similar assessments. And finally, feedback segments. Consumers should be able to express themselves in a safe environment. This is often a location where employees can engage with them. And finally, let's look at some customer engagement metrics. These are guest checkout rates, purchase frequency, average order value of your client, repeat purchase rate, duration of visit, maybe in the store or your website, frequency of visit, depth of visit, that is the percent of site visited, click-through rates, sales ultimately, lifetime value of the customer, inquiries made, that could be leads or cold leads, or finally downloads of your app. So that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on how do you engage with your customers and how do you track it. These are the list of sources and links referred to for our content in the video. Thank you and stay tuned for more videos.